Includes refillable floss dispenser and spools 2 by 120 meters of Oral-B Glide floss. Performance, floss like a pro with dentist-inspired shred-resistant technology. Gentle, slides more easily in tight spaces between teeth. Sustainability, helps eliminate 70% of landfill plastic waste. Excellent value, 1 PRO Refillable Floss equals 3 regular dispensers. Floss like a pro with Oral-B Glide PRO Refillable Floss, the #1 dentist-recommended floss brand. Oral-B Glide Pro slides more easily than regular floss to remove plaque bacteria just below the gum line, where toothbrushes can't reach. With 240 meters 262 yards of floss, 1 PRO Refillable Floss and refill is equal to 6 regular floss dispensers, helping eliminate 70% of landfill plastic waste. When using 1 Oral-B Glide Pro Floss Refill versus Glide Deep Clean Floss. Top reviews from the United States. Best for the tight spaces between teeth. This is my favorite floss so far. I got Oral-B Glide in the small container and it is good, but it is a bit thicker than this variety of that brand. This is thinner, but it doesn't break between my teeth. Some flosses are so slick that they don't stay wrapped around my fingers and slip.